Hey, cast. Hey, I swear to God, I've cast over here going every time, bro.
Is your fly rod still set up?
Huh?
Is your fly rod still set up?
I just have to put a fly on it. I have a zonker on it. I'm gonna get another zonker on in a second. Are they cold? Really? Oh, center pinning? Oh, yeah.
Like if you have a second, touch it back and just reel real quick and somehow fucking cold it is, even with the gloves. Bro, you have to hold that shit.
Bro, fuck that.
That's what I'm saying. It kind of sucks with my little time.
Dude, fuck that.
Spinner reels are moving.
You want this one?
No, I want to try your fly rod.
Oh, yeah.
I'll set it up too. Drop back.
Drop back. You about to make a Facebook post?
Maybe.
What? You gotta take one.
I'll tag you in it.
Great.
Yeah, you hooked them good.
Fuck yeah, I did. Barbara Dan. He swallowed that bitch?